चलो ठीक है चलो.
Sir, first of all, congratulations for the awesome trailer and all the appreciation you are getting for the movie.
Thank you.
So, the movie is about to be released in the next week, 1 week. So, how
A
is the
couple of
feeling?
weeks from now, yeah.
It's
2nd September.
हाँ, the week. तो कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब क्या feeling exactly, nervousness या maybe?
More than nervousness, I'm very happy because the film is already had been making rounds at some very prestigious film festivals all around the world, winning accolades, winning awards, turning heads, getting standing ovations, and finally, you know, it's coming out, it's releasing. So I'm very, very happy about this.
So, how was the preparation for the character of an ordinary man?
यार मेरा ये मानना है that if a film is well written, if it's a well written script, I think 90% of the prep for an actor and for all the other, it comes from the script itself. So if you read it twice, if you read it thrice, if you read it 5 times, you know what the film wants you to do and you do accordingly. And we had a director who was the first time director, but I didn't feel like that I was working with a first time director even for a second. She was so on top of her job and she was so focused and so clear about what she had wanted. So it had been a joyride for me, like an absolute joyride.
Would you say the current generation, younger actors and directors are more focused compared to the earlier, the rock ones?
Why am I making comparisons? You know why I'm saying this is good and this is bad?
in a
I'm
way-
saying it's a great thing that our upcoming storytellers and upcoming filmmakers have a new leash of energy, a new leash of vision, and they're really wonderful at what they do and what they envision and what they achieve. So the new set of artists that are coming out, you know, that coming out tomorrow, I think it's highly exciting.
So, what was so different about the Island City that you signed on this?
The script. I've said this before also. I read the script at the Goa Film Festival where Ruchika was there to, you know, promote a film, try to find funding at Film Bazaar. And this script was also a part of Screenwriters Lab. And the script was turning heads from the very beginning. And I somehow got to read the script there. I requested her and she gave me to read it. And after reading it, oh my God, I started pestering her. It's the other way around. She must be having nightmares about an actor running after her and telling her, make this film, make this film, make this film. And I think she got excited about that also. She had been doing rounds any which way, and NFDC came on board, thank God for that. And then Tanishta read the script. I asked her to read the script. And she also liked it. And we shared the same enthusiasm. We shared the same vision of this film together. And that's why, despite it being 3 different stories, I think the energy and camaraderie and ensemble have all been one in this.
Sir, tell us more about the character of this movie.
Oh, as I said, it's a story-driven film more than the character-driven film. The first story is of a corporate world. The second story is of a household, a housewife, and her story. And the third story is of a working woman, but of a little lower labor class, who lives in slums and chores. So I am a part of the corporate world. Yeah. I work in a corporate office, I have a boss, I have a routine life, Monday to Saturday jobs, 9 to 6, and that kind of mundane routine life this character has, Suyash. So it's a story about that.
Sir, as the movie has already done great in film festivals and outside also, so do you think it should be released worldwide? I mean, it's releasing only in India right now. And do you think the
I am sure it will release worldwide as well. I think the distributors, Drishyam Films, I have great faith in Drishyam. Their very first film, Aankho Dekhi, has been my all-time favorite film. And then they produced Masaan and Dhanak and Amrika, and I'm a great fan of Manish Mundra, to be very honest. And the fact that he's become a part of this film is no less joy for me. So I'm sure that whatever he plans, he'll plan something out of the box, and he will ensure that it goes and it reaches as many people as it can.
Sir, anytime soon, Bharat Bhushan or Frasier Prize return?
I hope so. I hope so.
Because it's
Scripts
also
are being
character
written.
loved by everyone.
Yeah, scripts are being written, things are being discussed, so let's see.
Any future projects?
The next film that should release of mine would be Chidiya. So let's see. When.
So you will also take a long time to return to silver screen. Why so much wait for you?
बिकॉज यार एक तो बहुत स्लो हूँ मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने में टाइम लगता है मुझे ठीक है तो जितनी देर मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ता हूँ फिर वो फिल्म बनती है फिर वो रिलीज़ होती है अब एक साथ एक से ज़्यादा फिल्म नहीं कर पाता मैं उतना बुद्धिमान भी नहीं हूँ उतना चपल भी नहीं हूँ उतना टैलेंट भी नहीं है सो आई टेक टाइम रीडिंग स्क्रिप्ट आई टेक टाइम मेकिंग द फिल्म आई टेक टाइम सेलेक्टिंग द फिल्म दैट आई वांट टू डू and it's good enough. I think one film a year is a great ratio for me. Yeah.
Any message for the audience you would like to give?
Please watch Island City on 2nd September. It's one of the most exciting films that I've been part of, and I'm very proud of this film. It has turned heads all over the world. It has won awards all over the world, and thank God it's coming out at the right time now. In our country, it's releasing on 2nd September. Please go see it, and I can guarantee you that you're not gonna have one boring moment in this film.
Thank you for
Thank
talking to Movie Talkies, sir. All the very best, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hi, first of all, congratulations. And how are you?
I'm great, feeling great, excited,
So
curious.
the trailer launched finally. So how is the feeling?
I'm really feeling nice because I've been really looking forward for Island City, this film, because in Killa, many non-Marathi audience has seen me, like Hindi audience, but with Raman Raghav, even Anurag's audience has seen me. But now I'm very happy to share with you that Island City I'm playing, there are 3 stories and I'm playing protagonist in one of the stories, the central character. So I'm happy that Hindi industry is welcoming me more and more. So I'm curious about how people like Island City now after Raman Raghav.
Tell us more about your character in the movie.
Yeah, my character's name is Sarita, and the genre of the film, like my character, my story is humorous, but it's black humor. Like आप हंसेंगे लेकिन आपको लगेगा क्या इस पे हंसना चाहिए, So Sarita is a woman जिसकी ये love story हम कह सकते हैं. अभी समीर कोचर यहाँ पे है, उनके साथ की love story, but we never meet in the film because he is protagonist of a daily soap और पुरुषोत्तम. और सरिता उससे प्यार करने कैसे लगती है और उसका रिलेशन कैसे बनता जाता है. This is not new because when I have played main lead of a daily soap, so people they just love you and the way they आपकी इतनी सराहना करते, तो मुझे लगा था कि ये मुझे कभी एक्सपीरियंस करना है. So now I'm playing the audience which does that to a daily soap protagonist, So there is total role reversal, and I'm really enjoying this role reversal. And this is, as Samir rightly said, this is love story of real character.
How was it working with Vinay sir as he's one of the incredible actors our industry has?
You know what? In this film, Vinay and me are never together.
Oh, okay.
But I want to mention one thing. Vinay suggested my name for some other Hindi film called Chidiya, in which he is playing my Devar. And we have a very good track in the film. So I'm really thankful to Vinay that, because of this film, he got me that film called Chidiya. So I have worked with him in Chidiya, but we are in the film together. Why we are not together, you will find out when you see the film, I think.
And why this name, Island City? What exactly it signifies?
Yeah. I think it is about Mumbai city, and everybody is lonely in its own way. So everybody has its own island in this Mumbai city. So this is an island city. Like all of us, when we are stuck in traffic, we have our own island. We are into our own self. So in that sense, every character is an island. So it's a city full of islands. So it's an island city.
So how's the feeling finally the movie's trailer release?
I think it's for an actor, it's a great feeling
when you see your hard work getting finally released in your own country. Obviously, this film did really well in the European market and abroad. So when because at the end of the day, your friends and your family wants to know you did that film and it's going to release. So yeah, it's a great feeling that's going to release in your own country.
How was the experience working on the film? How was it as an actor and fun on sets, maybe anything?
It was not really fun on the set because since there are three short films in the one film. So I'm in the last film, and we were shooting in a really dingy, one of those slum areas of Bombay. So and to be around that life is not a good feeling, and that this film has shown, like different classes of the same city has, like rich class has their, like बारिश के मौसम में जब बारिश होती है तो a lot of people go, wow, monsoon, it's amazing weather, Bombay looks amazing. But imagine those people who are traveling in a train, going to offices, जहाँ पे ट्रेन बंद हो जाते हैं, टैक्सीज डूब जाते हैं और बारिश में लोग फंस जाते हैं. तो वो चीज़ जो है डिफरेंस ऑफ सोसाइटी बॉम्बे में देखने मिलता है कि एक गरीब किस तरह बारिश में फंस जाता है, उसी बारिश को कुछ लोग पकौड़े खाते आनंद ले रहे हैं. तो ये एक है विडम्बना है विधि की, क्या कर सकते हैं.
Tell us more about your character in the movie.
मैं जो हूँ मैं इस फिल्म में बहुत ही एक बहुत अच्छा आदमी नहीं है. थोड़ा सा तनिष्ठा का जो कैरेक्टर है, ये दोनों दे आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप और ये बाइक का शौकीन है. ऐसा आदमी है जो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से ज़्यादा अपने वाइफ को तवज्जो देता है. He loves his wife more than his girlfriend. So that's his character.
So is it kind of a negative shade or something?
It's not negative. It's not negative.
As a
No.
maybe?
No, it's not negative. It's very real. Sometimes you see boys at this age, they like to worship their bikes more than the girls. Yeah, so like that.
How would you rate Ruchika as a director?
I think she's fantastic. This is her first film.
Yeah.
And to be getting so many awards and so much of attention from anywhere all over the world, I think it's a great start. And for someone like me who's trying to make films too, it's an inspiration.
How was the film done? Is it only done in Mumbai only, or?
Yeah, it's not, the whole film is shot in Bombay.
And how about this name, Island City? Why this name?
क्योंकि बॉम्बे को आइलैंड सिटी भी बोला जाता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 7 छोटे द्वीप हैं जिसका समूह को ही बॉम्बे बोला जाता है. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन इट्स कॉल्ड आइलैंड सिटी.
Thanks a lot. Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulations, ma'am, for the awesome trailer, and of course the movie has done very well in various film festivals and many other places. So, what's your expectations from the audience for the movie?
Thank you. I'm expecting that, a little bit my expectation has been set by what I saw was the audience reactions to the screenings that we have had in different festivals, and also the screenings that we have had in some festivals in India. Like we had 3 screenings at the Mami Film Festival in Mumbai. And there, like as soon as the ticket windows opened, like almost within a couple of hours, they were completely sold out. There was a huge queue for people to watch the film, and while watching the film, they really enjoyed it. They laughed a lot. They gave us some very interesting feedback. So I know that, and also the same for different cities wherever we have shown the film. So I know that once people come to watch the film, they certainly enjoy it a lot, and it connects to their lives in some very weird and absurd ways also. So I know that they will enjoy it. Now the question is about them taking that step to come.
Ma'am, the movie has already done very well in the festivals and everyone has appreciated the movie. So why is it released only in India, and why not the complete world release which happens for the movie?
Right.
People have already liked it abroad.
Right. Now that is a question, I think, for the producers as to what there is also, for a film like ours, we have limited budget for release. So perhaps they might be wanting to do an India release, and then after that, seeing the response, they might be looking at other territories. I know that there are some foreign territories that they are looking at right now, and they might be doing a release alongside with the Indian, or maybe just a little bit after that. With at least 2 territories, I know they are planning to release over there. So let's hope.
How was the shooting experience, and how basically you started writing this movie all about? How did this idea came to you?
Right. So this idea for the stories came to me by, through my life in the city. I of course came from Delhi, but then after that I've been living here for a long time. So Bombay is a very interesting city. We of course love the city also, and we love to hate the city also. And there are many absurdities in our big city life. Also, through the years, I have seen the city change in many different ways. There's a lot of change that is coming. So this is a story that kind of encapsulates also the change that has come about in the city. And at the same time, it does that in a very entertaining and funny kind of black comic way. And it also makes you look at your own life, which is a little absurd and funny, and analyze that a little.
How was the experience working with Vinay sir, as he has been like an extraordinary actor, and your
Absolutely. Vinay Pathak is an extraordinary actor, not just in cinema, but in theatre also.
hesitant to
Yes, of course I was, because it's a first film for me, and he's a veteran actor and he's such a good actor. But that was the great part of it, that we worked together, and there were a lot of suggestions that he brought to the table, and that has really enhanced, the story. And he's of course a great performer, and I needed a person to, play a role. His role is like a deadpan look, so he has to almost show no emotion, and he's done that so interestingly and so beautifully. So even for me it was a great learning experience to be working with him.
And how was the casting of the movie decided for all the characters? How was it done?
So for I would say that when I was writing the story only, I felt that Vinay would be the best choice for this. So even while writing, in fact, sometimes when you have an actor in mind, you also kind of have the persona of that actor, and you sometimes put certain things in the script because you have the persona of that actor in mind. I think somewhere subconsciously I had done that as well. So when the script was ready, the first person I wanted to show the script to was Vinay, and I was very lucky that he liked it, and he said that he would like to do the role. And then he in fact suggested that I was looking for the role that the character called Aarti, which finally Tanishtha would play. Then he suggested that after reading the script, I feel that Tanishtha would be good. Why don't you meet her? Then I met Tanishtha after that, and I really felt, after interacting with her and doing a few script readings and all, I really felt that she was really absolutely the soul of almost Aarti, and that's how we cast her. And then we met Amruta through our casting director, Mansi, and everything fell into place. And even the smaller roles, like Sameer Kocher's role, it's a very unlikely avatar that you will see him in. Usually you'll see him in of course, he has acted in films as well as serials and all. But this role, where he plays this kind of a superstar of a daily soap, and he's done it so it's funny also, but he's done it in a very interesting way. Chandan Roy Sanyal also, I was really wondering whether he would accept to do this role and all, but then he did that, and I think we got a really good ensemble cast together for the film. Finally, it really worked well.
In how many months was the movie completed?
Well, the film took about a year to complete. So we started with our pre-production, and then since there are 3 stories, we wanted to shoot each story and then give us a little bit of a break and then shoot the next story. So it took a little while for us, almost 2 months. We shot for 40 days, but then almost 2.5 months it took us to complete the shooting. Then the editing process, re-editing, sound work, everything. So about a year, a little more than a year, maybe a year and 3 months.
Ma'am, as this was your first movie, normally you are doing 3 different stories in one movie. So how difficult was it for you to do that? Because
it was, yeah. No doubt it was, I would say that it was certainly challenging, but it was also very interesting for me to do this, because each of the 3 stories is set in a different milieu. It's Bombay, but as our experience of Bombay is that there are many different Bombays within one city. So that gave me the opportunity to explore the many different Bombays within Bombay. and within that, within each story has its own space. It has its own different color scheme. It has its own different lensing. It has its own different camera movements, and that is also, I hope that makes the film also interesting. But for us, as me as a filmmaker, and for the technicians who were there on the film, it was very interesting that every few days we are going for a completely different meter altogether. So this one story that has been shot handheld, and there's another, and the hues are more towards warmer. Vinay's story is more towards the cooler hues, more bluish, and shot in a different space altogether, in the malls and in the big offices. So it was a very interesting thing for us to.
So the story basically, all the three stories have just one common thing going on.
They have, it's not just Bombay, but it's also in terms of theme, there is a certain connection. In terms of plot also, there is a certain connection, which you find out in the end. So these connections are also there.
Any future projects of yours?
I am kind of writing a script, but I am also waiting for this film to release, and then after that I will be getting on to that more. I have one script that is ready, and there's another script that I'm writing right now, so I'll be looking for producers. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Can please take pictures?
एक घंटा से नहीं चल रहा है
हो गया सर, हो गया
तभी आप लोग इतने कम नंबर में दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
लेकिन सर फिर भी हम आए हैं यहाँ पे।
मुझे पता है वहाँ पे क्या ड्रिंक पिलाते हैं के बाद बेटा।
तो हम लोग शाम को मिल रहे हैं वहाँ पे।
तुरंत ट्रेन पकड़ के भागोगे ना वहाँ पे। झूठ न बोले तुम, चुप रहने दो, निर्मोही कहीं की।